Hello golden souls. Welcome to Number Gold. Today we're going to talk about angel number 407. The number 407 is a mix of the energies and vibrations of the number 4, the effects of the number 0, and the qualities of the number 7. The number 4 is associated with working steadily toward goals and dreams, honesty and integrity, practicality, patience, system and order, self-initiation, building strong foundations, and passion and determination. The number 4 is also about the archangels. The number 0 is influenced by the God force and universal energies, eternity, infinity, oneness, wholeness, continuing cycles and flow, the beginning, potential, and/or choice, and it amplifies the energies and vibrations of the numbers it appears with. Number 0 is about developing your personal spirituality and spiritual gifts. Number 7 is connected to the esoteric, discernment, sticking to a goal, faith and spirituality, seeking knowledge, study, education and learning, spiritual awakening, growth and enlightenment, mysticism and psychic abilities. Angel number 407 tells you that your repeated thoughts, ideas, and nudges from your higher self are telling you what to do next and giving you answers to your prayers or solutions to your problems. Your view of yourself and the world around you is changing because of new spiritual and psychic experiences. Studying, praying, and meditating will help your spiritual gifts grow. Now is a good time to think, meditate, study, and learn more about spiritual matters. Angel number 40, the 7th of May, be telling you that if you want to start or grow a spiritually based career, practice, profession, or heart-based service, the angels will support and encourage you to be successful. You will have to put in some hard work and effort, but in the long run, you and the people you help will both be better off. If you have doubts or fears about your path, ask an angel for help. When you ask angels for help, they give it to you in miraculous ways at the right time. Remember that you have the power to manifest and attract the life you want. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.